So this is my beautiful camping setup with my Toyota Tacoma. I've got an Alu-Cab canopy and I've got an Alu-Cab rooftop tent and the ultimate camping setup. In here, it slides right in. It's an aluminum table which pulls out, and as you can see, I've got all these bins in here nicely secured for 4x4 action. But what happens when you open this and you want to prepare yourself a little breakfast or something? You need a little table here as well. So I decided to come up with a little solution. So first thing is measure your space here, and we're going to make an insert for a little table to pull out when you're preparing everything that you have conveniently located here. So with these two pieces, you're going to be able to have a nice little platform here, very cheaply made and very easily done. So this piece has been cut to size, and I'll show you how to install it. So now that I've put these two pieces together, it's really easy. You just hook it in right here, and then grab these little restraints that I installed. And it's a perfect little platform, and I'm going to make myself a little camping tea.